Hello everyone, hello, welcome back to another video of my channel. I am Kishore. I hope you all are doing well. So this is the video where I will be talking about the off-campus scenario during my time. And as you know that I am making this series of videos regarding placement at IISc, and I have already uploaded 3 videos regarding my experience during IISc placement, how the placement happens, and what are the statistics, like what are the highest package or average package that is being offered by different companies. So this is the 4th video in this series, and many of you are asking me to share how was off-campus situation during my time. So that I am going to discuss in this particular video. So please do watch the video till end. And before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regularly. Now without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so before starting anything, I'll just give you a brief that how typically off-campus placement happens in IISc. So what happened is, like, in the last semester, that is in the 4th semester of your MTech, you will share your CV to different companies through LinkedIn, maybe through whatever the seniors that is there in different companies. Through them you can refer your CV to different companies, and they will refer you in that particular company. And then from that particular company, HR will connect you, and they will conduct a interview session. Typically for data scientist profile, I can say that there are 6 to 7 rounds of interviews there, including ML rounds, product design round, coding, everything will be there, HR, manager round, everything will be there. And typically it will happen on the office, so you have to go to that particular company's office on a particular day. And all these 7 rounds will be done typically on one day, or maybe they can ask you to come again in the next day, but it will typically end up by 2 days. And after that, after within 1 week, you will get the result. So this is how typically the off-campus placement happen in IISc in the last semester. And all of the students by that time they will be placed for sure in on campus. But if you are aspiring for more package or for a better company, you can go for some big MNCs. And there are some companies that they don't visit the campus also. As I said that during my time, LinkedIn, Amazon, they are not visiting the campus. So if you are really interested to go for those companies, you can share your CV through your senior or whoever you know, or maybe through LinkedIn you can connect to the HR directly on those particular companies, and you can appear for that particular company for the interview, and you can go for it. And till our last batch, I have seen many people doing this. I have seen people who was placed in Flipkart, but then he got selected in Amazon. I have seen people who was placed in some banking sector, then through off campus they got in LinkedIn or Amazon, and they went for their, actually they rejected their on campus placement offer, and they go for their off campus. So this is the typical procedure through which you can appear for a off campus placement in IISc in the last semester. You can get selected for that. Now during my time, the situation was a bit tricky. So as you all know, in 2020 March, COVID came into picture, and during that time only all of the students used to appear for different companies, because that time if you start the process, then by your semester end or your course end, you will be getting the offer. So we all are doing the same thing. We all are referring our CVs through our seniors or maybe through LinkedIn to different companies. Like personally, I have shared my CV to Walmart and Amazon because they didn't visit the campus, and there are a few other people who are appearing for LinkedIn, IBM Research Lab, and many companies who didn't visit that year the campus. So we are appearing for those companies. Now what happened is that, like, for my case, I can say that my interview has been already initiated by Amazon and Walmart by the starting of March, but I have given just the screening round, and then lockdown was imposed. So I came back home, and then starts the actual struggle, because my home, the internet is not that good, and all the interviews are going on through online. And for other students who were a bit late, so maybe they have referred their CV at the end of February, they didn't even get the call for the first round. So the situation was like that all the companies, they almost had frozen their recruitment. They were not taking anyone, because I hope you understand the initial few months of COVID, we all don't know what will be the future of the financial system, the economy. Everything was in doubt, and almost all the companies had frozen their recruitment. Though my already this interview process and that was started, so I had gone through all the process. So it took me around 2 months to complete everything. because the internet issue was there. So it was like, to complete those 6 rounds, it was taking a lot of time. And among these 2 companies, one I got selected, one I didn't. But which one I got selected also, they also finally told me that they can't recruit us, because there are some freeze moment is going on. So they actually stopped recruiting anybody in that time. And so in my batch, the situation was a bit tricky. Most of the students couldn't appear for any of the off-campus placements, and people like me or few others who had appeared for some companies, but finally they didn't get any offer from any of the colleges. But this is not the actual scenario. This only happened during my time because of the COVID situation, and we graduated in mid of COVID only. Like we all came back home, and we graduated from home. We didn't even go to campus and take our certificate or convocation, something like that. So but typically it won't happen. Typically, as I said before, that typically you will be applying to different companies in the last semester, and they will call you, and you have to give the interview, and you will be getting you'll be, if you can crack the interview, you will be getting the job offer. So this is how typically happened. And from my personal experience, from whatever I've seen from the senior batches, I can say that the packages are a bit more than the on campus, because as you can understand, on campus there are just 3 rounds, but here they are taking 4 to 6 rounds for the interview. So the interview is also not that easy. It's a bit tougher than the on campus, but yes, the packages are more in off campus than the on campus. And typically people appear for the big MNCs in off campus. They don't go for startups and all, unless there is a very famous renowned startups like SareChat and all. People don't prefer going for off campus in startups. So the situation in current times, I will say that it's again normal. Again, people are appearing for off campus and they're getting. But for particularly our batch, because it was this COVID situation was going on, so we don't have any options. So that's why we didn't get any call from any of the companies, or even we are getting calls, someone like me, we are not getting the final offer letter from any of the companies, because I hope you understand this, March to July, that time almost every company was frozen, and the situation was not like that what is now. So the work from home also was not that good that time, because the infrastructure support and all was not that. Yeah, so that's it about the off-campus placement situation during my time. And many people have asked me about sharing this one, so that's why I'm making this video. So hopefully this is helpful for all of you who had this doubt that how will be the off-campus situation in IISc. It is good, undoubtedly, and I think it is good for any IIT you will join. So that's it, guys. That's it about today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regularly. So that's it, guys. That's it about today's video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.